Good evening, I'm Madel Angosio and I'm going to demonstrate the proper baby bathing under the module title, Providing Care and Support to Infants and Toddlers. These are the few reminders. The best time to bath the baby is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Best place countertop. Water temperature is 29.4 degrees Celsius. Provide privacy and respect to clients. Close all the doors and window. Put down the curtain and draperies. Turn off the air conditioner and electric fan. And never leave the baby unattended to avoid accident. Do the proper hand washing. Prepare all needed materials. We have the bathtub, dressing trolley, extra clothes and diaper, plastic bag, rubber mat, 3 basins, grooming accessories, lotion, cologne, powder, cotton buds, cotton balls, bar soap, petroleum jelly, thermometer, alcohol, betadine, liquid soap, shampoo, laundry bin, pail and dipper, trash can. Now let's start our first procedure. Proper hand washing before and after every performance. Get the baby, put on the countertop, undress the lower extremities, remove shorts or trouser, and put in the laundry bin. Check if the diaper is soiled. If the diaper is soiled, unfasten the diaper and use the cleanest part of the diaper to wipe from top to the bottom. Use your free hand grasping the ankle and gently lift the baby. Insert the diaper into his or her buttocks. Assess the genital for redness or irritation. If there is, use cotton ball with betadine. If there is no redness or irritation, get the basin with warm water and check water temperature using your wrist or elbow. If the client is a girl, get cotton ball, dip and squeeze. Clean one side of the genital area, starting from top to bottom. The inguinal area, including labia, down to the anus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Clean the other side, get cotton ball, dip and squeeze. Clean starting from top to bottom of the inguinal area, including labia, down to the anus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Also clean the middle, get cotton ball, dip and squeeze. Clean starting from top to bottom, including the anus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. If the client is a boy, get cotton ball, dip and squeeze. Clean one side of the scrotum starting from top to bottom, the inguinal area down to the anus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Clean the other side, get cotton ball, dip and squeeze. Clean the other side of the scrotum starting from top to bottom, the inguinal area down to the anus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get cotton ball, dip and squeeze. Squeeze a little amount of water over the penis in the shaft. Clean it in a single stroke down to the anus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get cotton buds, dip both ends in water. Clean the scrotum in a horizontal manner according its folds and creases. Discard and repeat until thoroughly clean. Remove the diaper. Put on the plastic bag. Seal it and put in the trash can. Cover the diaper area and do the proper hand washing. Then, let's proceed to temperature taking. Get the thermometer from the container. Clean the thermometer from cleanest to dirtiest using cotton balls with alcohol. Discard the cotton ball. Check if the thermometer is functioning. Dip the ball of the thermometer in the petroleum jelly before inserting it to the rectum. To prevent traumatizing the mucous membrane of the anus, put the baby in a side-lying position. Insert the thermometer softly and gently into the anus, 0.5 inches deep. Hold the thermometer for 2 minutes or once you hear the beeping sound of the thermometer. After 2 minutes, remove the thermometer and gently put the baby back in a supine position. Clean the thermometer from cleanest to dirtiest using dry cotton balls. Read the thermometer. If it is 37.5 degrees Celsius or higher, do the sponge bath. If it is 37.5 degrees Celsius lower, proceed to bathing. Put the thermometer back in its container. And get cotton ball, wipe the excess petroleum jelly on the baby's anus. Then proceed to tapping procedure. Proper hand washing. Undress the upper extremities. Widen the armhole and neck hole to easy removal of the shirt. Wrap the baby with a blanket. To prevent chilling. Get the basin with warm water and check water temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get cotton ball, dip in squeeze. Clean the eyes from upper, inner to outer canthus, then discard the cotton ball. Get another cotton ball, dip in squeeze. Clean the lower to outer canthus, then discard the cotton ball. Repeat it on the other side. Get cotton ball, dip in squeeze. Clean the eyes from upper, inner to outer canthus, then discard the cotton balls. Get cotton ball, dip in squeeze. Clean the lower, inner to outer canthus, then discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get cotton buds, dip both tips. Clean the outer hole of the nose, one side, then the other side. Discard. Get cotton ball, dip in squeeze. Clean the upper lip, discard. Get cotton ball, dip in squeeze. Clean the lower lip, discard. Get cotton buds, dip both tips. Clean the outer lobe of the ear and the back of the ear, discard. Repeat it on the other side of the ear. Get towelette, soak and wring, and do hand meet and fold. Wipe the face using figure of 3 from forehead down to the cheek, down to the chin. Repeat it on the other side of the face using the back of the hand. Wipe the face using figure of 3 from forehead down to the cheek, down to the chin. Get dry towelette and pat it dry. Then proceed to shampooing. Assess the head and the scalp for any signs of redness or irritation, and for cradle cap, use special shampoo if there is. If none, use regular shampoo for the baby. Get 2 basins with warm water and check water temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get the baby and do the football hold with the baby's head lower than the extremities. Fold the upper part of the blanket to expose the head. Cover the ear to avoid water entering the ear. Get towelette and make a blindfold to cover the eyes. Wet the baby's hair, including the occiput. Get shampoo, lather into your palms, and apply gently on the baby's head in a circular motion using your fingertips, including occiput. Rinse the baby's head thoroughly on the other basin. Pat it dry using the blanket. Remove the blindfold and the cotton balls. Put the baby back on the countertop. Remove the blanket, then proceed to wetting of the body parts. Get a basin with warm water and check water temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get towelette, soak and wring, and do hand mitten fold. Wet the neck, medial to lateral, and then the chest, abdomen, cilia, forearms, and hands, and pay attention in between fingers. Rinse and wring, and do hand mitten fold. Wet the lower extremities, and pay attention to folds and creases. Rinse and wring, and do hand mitten fold. Wet the back, including the bottom area. Then proceed to soaping. Get liquid shampoo, lather into your palm, apply gently on the body in a circular motion. Liquid shampoo is the best. It promotes bonding between caregiver and the baby. Start from the neck, medial to lateral, and then the chest, abdomen, cilia, forearms, and hands, and pay attention in between fingers. Soap the lower extremities and pay attention to folds and creases. Soap the back, including bottom area. If you are using a bar soap, get towelette, soak and wring, and do hand mitten fold. Scrub the towelette with a soap. Soap the body in a circular motion. Then proceed to rinsing. Check water temperature in the bathtub using your wrist or elbow. Get the baby and do the cradle hold in a semi-sitting position. Hold the baby securely. Support by the back of the hand. The head of the baby must be higher than the water level to prevent drowning. Rinse the body thoroughly and pay attention to folds and creases. Rinse the baby's back. Towards the baby. If done rinsing, Remove the baby from the tub. Wrap with a clean towel. And put the baby to the countertop and pat it dry. Put a diaper. Apply petroleum jelly on the diaper area. Place the diaper, snugly it, not too tight, not too loose. Put upper extremities, widen the armhole and neck hole. Put the trouser 1 foot at a time. Then proceed to grooming. If using powder, turn your back from the baby, put it on your hands and apply gently to the lower extremities. If using cologne, do not directly on the baby's skin, but in his clothes. If using lotion, make it sure it's hypoallergenic. Comb the hair using fine comb. Check if the fingernails are long. If long, then clip it. Put the baby on the crib and do the aftercare. And do the proper hand washing.